Getting reacquainted with each other. Marami yung dito kasabay ko sa Kongreso. At maganda magkaugnayan yung ating branches of government para maisulong yung ating agenda na po.
Victory party na po ba? For SB?
Tsaka hindi rin birthday party ng SB. Pero again, social. It's a collegial body. We really have to learn to work with each other. At ako naman ay pinapalag na naimbita dito para mahingi ko talaga support nila sa ating legislative agenda. And to include also yung confirmation process ng ating mga sekretaryo na talaga naman nagpe-perform sa ngayong panahon.
Meron din po dito mga cast members, for example, yung si Speaker SB na hindi sumama talaga, lumipat sa liberal, pero nasa lakas pa rin po. How would this affect yung po inyong memberships?
Well, I need it up the individual members. Pero what is important is after the elections and after the campaign, we buckle down to solving the country's problems instead of engaging in partisan politics that really need to know where. I'm sure that the ranks will grow as time goes on. Pero it should not be an obstacle towards attaining the unity that we really need in solving the gigantic problems that we're facing.
So seeing the coalition now, you think your legislative agenda will somehow, but most of it will be fulfilled?
Well, as you know, Manong Sani, who hopefully will be the speaker come Monday, parang ano ko sabihin na nice way, pero now lang ako sa atin siya doon. Isa sa mga naging mentor rin po natin and really knows how to make the process work for the betterment of everybody.
How about in the Senate, sir? Kanina you met with some LDP senators in the palace.
They just took, we had a conversation, they were asking pieces of advice, and said, can we leave it up to Monday's development so that, or at least the parties concerned will be making certain decisions. Ako naman saling pusa dito sa mga diskusyonan nila.
Pero ano yung agenda nila, sir? Are they supporting
Importante yung nag-uusap kami sa partido para hindi ho kanya-kanyang direksyon. Paano nga kami magiging benchmark or point na reference kung kanya-kanyang direksyon.
Sir, sabi niyo po may shocking on Monday, on Monday. Enough po ba to send somebody to jail?
May proseso tayong dadaanan. I'm really severely tempted to tell you what I already know. No, but at the same time, we have to be responsible with what we say. If it is taken out of context, then it can add more para a sense of gloom or doom or panic on the people, and that is something that I should be very conscious of. So we are really trying to craft the message so it's clear, and we acknowledge the difficulties that we have now, but at the same time, we don't make people despondent of what is happening.
Sir, some are saying that because we need the numbers right now, hindi na ganoon ka-higpit ang screening process ng Liberal Party pagdating sa pagtanggap ng mga bagong members.
I can confirm to you dahil hindi ho ganun. Talaga meron tayong hinihintay na standards, meron matindi nga ho negosasyon ng mga nagbabalik loob rin ho, hindi ho automatic na mag-request sila payag na. Anything?
That's true. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you.